In a forest of vibrant colors, a small and fearless creature named Nutmeg scurries through the undergrowth, her bushy tail swishing with determination. As the night falls, Nutmeg discovers that her best friend, a wise and watchful bird, has disappeared without a trace. Driven by worry and friendship, Nutmeg hesitantly steps into the unknown expanse of darkness and shadows. On her journey, Nutmeg encounters intricate webs and creepy crawlies that challenge her courage and resolve. Nutmeg finds Oliver in a perilous situation, his wide eyes filled with fear as he clings desperately to the swaying branch. Benny, a gentle and kind creature with floppy ears, emerges from the burrow to offer Nutmeg guidance and support in the daunting forest. As the storm approaches, Nutmeg must think fast and act bravely to save her friends from the impending danger. Nutmeg ingeniously fashions a makeshift parachute from leaves and twigs, her quick thinking the only hope for a safe descent. Together, Nutmeg, Oliver, and Benny face the challenges of the storm, their individual strengths combining to overcome obstacles in a show of true camaraderie. Bathed in sunlight, the friends return to the safety of their cozy forest, their bond stronger and their hearts braver than